Hello to all dedicated teachers and creative parents. I hope you're doing great and full of energy to create fun and unique learning experiences. In recent days, we talked about tools that can help you design engaging classroom quizzes. But today, it's time for an even more important step: PowerPoint settings that make your activities more precise, attractive, and professional. Getting started. After you have set the main program settings, defined the rewards, added the students, entered the questions in the test section. In the final step, click the PowerPoint button to open the PowerPoint form. First PowerPoint slide. When you click Question, a slide will be created. This slide can appear in one of three modes. Start button, a simple layout with a start button. Spinner, a spinning wheel to randomly select a student's name. Select box, boxes to click and choose. I'll explain each one separately. Number, this field is filled automatically. Type, in the Type section, there are generally two categories: all students. Questions are selected for the whole class. Student-specific, you can assign questions to specific students. This is done via the Student Spinner or Student Select Box options. If we choose all students, in the settings, select one of the configurations you previously created in the settings form. Choose the range of questions. For example, I've defined 5 questions numbers 1 to 5. The system will display the range according to the number of questions you have. Select a reward for finishing the questions. Add a short note, for example, click Start to begin. Click Save. When you select all students, only one row will appear in the table and no additional configurations can be made. To edit, select the row, make changes, and click Edit. To delete, either click Clear or select the row and click Delete. Reset returns the form to its initial state. Once all settings are done, open eduquizpro.pptm. Click question.ppam. At first, the PowerPoint will have no slides. From the Add-in tab, click Question and wait for the slide to be created. Your comment will appear in the slide's comment section. Click Start and wait a few seconds for the slides to generate. If you created 5 questions, 5 slides will appear. Use Next to navigate through them. After the last question, the reward slide will be shown. If you found this game helpful and feel like it could make your classes more engaging, we'd really appreciate a little like. If you're looking for more educational games to use in your teaching, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you think your fellow teachers could benefit from tools like this, share this channel with them. Let's make learning more exciting together. If you choose Spinner, you must have at least 5 students defined. In Type, select Spinner. Choose one of your saved settings. In the Student Name field, select the student for whom you want to assign a specific set of questions. For example, I assigned questions 1 to 3 to Jack, and questions 1 to 5 to others. Each student can only have one custom question set. Assign a reward for the end, it can differ per student. When using Spinner, at least 5 rows must be created in the table. Editing, deleting, and resetting work just like in all students. In PowerPoint, from the Add-in tab, click Question. A wheel will appear with the names of students who have questions assigned. Click Spinner, then Start. When the wheel stops, click the chosen student's name and wait for their slides to generate. Jack will get 3 slides. Others will get 5 slides. The Select Box option works like the Spinner, but you don't need 5 students, it works with fewer. The difference is, you need 2 images, one for before clicking and one for after clicking. The open and closed images must be of the same object in 2 states. Example: closed box and open box, whole egg and cracked egg. Save them in the folder, img/pic. The open image should be named like this: picsunlock.png. Close image should be named like this: pixlock.png. Both must be .png format. In PowerPoint, click Question to create a slide with several boxes. Click a box, wait for it to open, and you'll see a student's name. Click the name to generate their slides. The number of slides will match the number of questions assigned. Example: Jack gets 3, others get 5. With these settings, you can manage your classroom in fun and varied ways. The Excel part is usually prepared before class, but run the PowerPoint part live, it only takes a few seconds. I even tested this on an old computer while recording video, which slows it down and the slides still generated quickly. So run the program with confidence and enjoy it. If you're interested in collaborating or have any questions, feel free to contact me via email. So if you're looking for creative, engaging, and budget-friendly teaching ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos.